Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your SoFi debit card step by step clearly. First, take your SoFi debit card and make sure the card has your name on it. Next, find the SoFi card packaging or the card itself to locate the last 4 digits for easy identification. Now, unlock your phone and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Open the SoFi app on your phone. If you do not have the SoFi app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign into your SoFi account using your email and password. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and reset it before continuing. After logging in, go to the banking section in the app. Tap Checking and Savings, or SoFi Checking, depending on what you see in your app. Look for a menu item called Card, Debit Card, or Manage Card. Tap the option that says Activate Card. If you do not see it, tap the Settings or Gear icon and look for Card Management. When prompted, confirm you are activating the correct card by matching the last 4 digits. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue the activation process. You may be asked to verify your identity with a one-time code sent by text or email. Enter the verification code exactly as received and submit it. Wait for the confirmation message that your card is active. Next, set up your debit card PIN if the app asks you to create one. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. If your PIN is already set, review it in the app if that option is available. Now, enable card security features like transaction alerts if you want extra protection. Check that your card status shows active in the card details screen. If you use mobile wallets, add your SoFi debit card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet from the app. Before making a big purchase, test the card with a small transaction like a coffee or a small online payment. If a transaction is declined, double-check that the card is activated and your account has available funds. Also confirm that your card is not locked or frozen in the card control screen. If activation still fails, contact SoFi support through the app chat or the official SoFi support number. Keep your card in a safe place and never share your PIN or verification codes with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.